Welcome back. In this video, we start our journey in Verona on Lake Como. We hop a train and make our way to Venice, swapping mountains for canals.
Feels weird to be in a train station in Venice. From the train station, we jumped on a vaporetto, which is basically Venice's version of a city bus. You know, just on water.
Our Airbnb was tucked away in a quiet part of the city. Honestly, it was perfect. But no time to relax. We had places to be.
We are off to our bead class, making beads, but we're running late.
Murano glass beads.
Yes, so we're hoping that we'll still have a little time to see it.
Hello. When you start with a new piece of glass, enter slowly in the flame. Start far and just at the end of the stick. When the glass starts to become hot, you can go more close and more inside. Don't put it.
Whew! Working with molten glass over an open flame is just as intense as it sounds.
I go vertical, like before, but now I catch the drop that fall down and I rotate.
Perfecto, vas a ponerlo otra vez aquí.
Horizontal in the fire. I can put also more level of glass. Now I show you.
Okay, perfecto.
We're pretty proud. Here are some of the beads we made.
Fun fact, Venice is made up of 118 islands connected by over 400 bridges. The buildings, well, they sit on wooden piles driven deep into the lagoon's clay. Yes, Venice is sinking slowly, but also floating, somehow, both at once.
Venice is one of those cities where getting lost is actually the point. We strolled through back alleys and into tiny shops. This is our fourth visit to Venice, and each time it delights and amazes us.
We found a local market with fresh fish, fruits, and vegetables where locals shop daily.
I got flan and I got tiramisu. Ooh, it looks really good. There are about 400 gondolas in Venice today, a far cry from the 10,000 they had in their heyday. These iconic boats have been around for thousands of years, and each one is still handmade.
On to Burano, the island of color.
There's the lace. Burano is known for its handmade lace.
Why are there curtains on the doors? They're added to provide privacy and are also decorative. For you.
I love it. I love the colors. I just really enjoy looking at all the different colors.
Totally different than Venice,
Yes, it
except that there's canals.
We were told every house is painted a different color and shade so fishermen could recognize their house in the fog.
These are conchitos, and they're like the little pixtos, I think that's how you pronounce it, in Spain. They're translated to one bites, and they're just all kinds of little ones. We got one with salami and artichoke, and
Vegetarian one.
vegetarian. It's got eggplant, zucchini, and a sun-dried tomato. So we're gonna try them out.
This is what it's like getting on and off the bus.
A pigeon walks like you. Murano glassmaking secrets were so highly valued that for centuries, craftsmen weren't allowed to leave the island. Talk about job security. Heading back, we caught Venice at golden hour.
If you enjoyed our time in Venice, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more adventures. We're the Silver Vagabonds, traveling slower, seeing deeper.